Hello viewers, welcome to V Academy. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Now I am here to discuss about test you must take after COVID recovery. Are you people recovered from COVID? Then let us know about the test we have to take after COVID recovery. First one is the IgG antibody test. It is also called as IgG test because antibodies are also called as immunoglobulins. First we have to know what are antibodies. Antibodies are produced inside our body to fight against foreign antigens. Foreign antigens are nothing but which doesn't belong to our body. For example, coronavirus. Coronavirus doesn't belong to our body, and when coronavirus enters into our body produces antibodies to fight against the COVID virus. So this test helps us to determine the level of antibodies and can help you get a better idea of how immune protected you are. So, and another important point is typically it takes 1 or 2 weeks to develop antibodies. So wait until you have recovered from the COVID virus and get this antibody test done within a month of recovery, which is also the ideal time for plasma donation. So if you want to donate your plasma, get this antibody test done within a month of recovery and then you can donate your plasma. This is about the IgG antibody test. And next test is about complete blood count test, that is the CBC test. The complete blood count test is a group of tests that evaluate the cells that circulate in our blood, including red blood cells, white blood cells and blood platelets. This is the basic test done after any infection. So get this test done and evaluate all the cells which are circulating in your blood. And next test is about glucose and cholesterol test. Most of the people report fluctuations in their blood glucose and blood pressure levels after COVID recovery, and this test play a crucial role in diabetic patients, cholesterol patients as well as heart patients. So get this test done after your COVID recovery. And another important point is in the non-diabetic COVID patients also, these blood glucose levels are higher or lower after COVID recovery. So after the post recovery and a revision of medications and doctor's advice may be needed. So get your cholesterol and glucose test done by medical advice. Next is neurofunction test. Many patients report neurological and psychological symptoms within weeks and months after COVID recovery, which can impact the daily functioning of the normal patient. So medical experts are stressing the importance of brain and neurological function test after the recovery of COVID-19 virus. So if you have any neurological problems after COVID recovery, it's better to take this test on medical practitioners' advice, and this is about the neurofunction test. And the next test is D-dimer test. A D-dimer test is a blood test that can be used to detect the presence of a serious blood clot. D-dimer is nothing but it is a part of protein and which plays an important role in blood clotting mechanism. Normally within a little time after the blood clotting, it goes away after a blood clot. But if you get high levels of D-dimer in your blood, that represents a major clot in your arteries or veins, which leads to serious complications. So this is the most important test after COVID recovery and detect the presence of a serious blood clot in your arteries or veins. And next is about lactate dehydrogenase test. LDH is an enzyme found in almost every cell of your body, including your blood, muscles, brain, kidneys and pancreas. This enzyme turns sugar into energy. When the cells are damaged or destroyed, this enzyme is released into the serum or plasma part of the blood. So higher levels of LDH in your blood indicates the damaged tissues or organs. So this is also one of the important tests done after the COVID recovery, and this is an enzyme which is released into our liquid part or the fluid part of the blood, that is into the serum or the fluid part of the blood, and the higher levels of LDH indicates that our organs or tissues are damaged in our body. And next is CRP test, that is C-reactive protein test. It is a protein made by the liver. CRP levels in the blood increase when there is a condition causing inflammation somewhere in our body. And this test is used to detect inflammation due to acute conditions, that is disease with mild symptoms, and this is also used to monitor the severity of the disease in chronic conditions, that is the disease with severe symptoms, and this test is able to detect the severity of the disease, and higher levels of CRP indicates severity of the disease. And last test is the ferritin test. Ferritin is nothing but iron. A ferritin test helps us to know how much iron our body stores. And low levels of ferritin in our blood indicates low iron stores in our blood. So low levels of ferritin leads to a condition called as anemia. And it is a blood disorder. This is about all the tests we have to take after COVID recovery. And I think this video is informative for everyone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel V Academy. Thank you.